Hello, thanks for joining me. Today I'll be making pork schnitzel with German potato salad. Let's get started. Here I have, I'm sorry, that's noisy outside. Okay, I have a piece of pork roast. I'm just going to slice it. And I'm just doing this one just to show you what I did to get those. Gotta do a better one than that. Okay, that's better. Now I cut them so about that size, and you can do them as thick or as thin as you like. You put this over the top because you don't want to splatter. You don't want blood all upside the walls or pork juice or whatever you want to call it. So that's why I'm using that. And I'm using my beater, the flat side. Sorry if it's hurting your ears, but see how thin that is. Let me do this. And if you get a larger pork roast, you can make much larger pieces, if you prefer. Ooh, sorry. And that's how that's done. Just going to show you. See how thin? Okay, now we're going to add some salt. And pepper. Same thing on the opposite side. Salt. Pepper. Okay, I'm going to take them. I have some flour here. You want to try to coat them really well. Coat them really well. While this grease is getting hot over here, I need for it to heat on up. I have 2 eggs here that I've added some water to and beaten. And I have some breadcrumbs. These are seasoned, not Italian, because that takes it to a whole nother level. You want just to get the season, if you like. If not, just get the plain. Okay. Oops. Let's see if this is ready. It's not hot enough. I want it to really be hot. Give it another minute or so. Let's try that again. Yeah, that's what we want. I'm going to do it again. Flour. I'm hungry too. Egg. And breadcrumbs. I want the whole thing to be covered. That's why I'm repeating. I'm seeing little spots. I'm trying to make sure we have our breadcrumbs everywhere. And these are pretty thin, so they won't take very long. You see? Have to be careful and watch. I'm going to turn it down a bit now. See how quickly that's going? So you don't have no room to roam. You have to stand right over them while they are frying. Just a little bit more. That one will be ready. They're cooking too fast. Don't hesitate to turn them down. Turn them down. I like my heat up when I first get started, but then you have to adjust it. And most of the things that you're cooking, unless it's fish. Fish fries on a high temperature, and it's best to keep it there. This one is ready. You see that? They were really thin, so not taking long to cook it all. Okay, one more over here. Get over there, little schnitzel. Yeah, he's ready. If you have a cooling rack, put it on a cooling rack so that it won't get soggy. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, and these are done. Sorry. There you go. Now we're going to make our German potato salad. Okay, in this pan, I fried up a few pieces of bacon. I don't know, maybe 6 or 7. And I'm going to chop these up. Mm-hmm. And that's still a piece of that. Mm-hmm. Turn my pan on. As you can see, in the pan I've left the residual oil. If you fry your bacon and it's way too much, you know, just use your judgment and pour some out. But I'm going to keep that much in. I don't know. That might be about 2 or 3 tablespoons, approximately. In this pan here, and I have this pan on low, on the lowest setting. In this pan here, I have some small red potatoes, but you can use the yellow potatoes. You can use any kind of potatoes you like, but I just use these and I cut them in fourths. I have already boiled them. Left the skins on, of course. We're going to add them into the pan. And I think I use 7. I use 7 small because I only need a small amount. You know, if you need more, add more. Yeah, we got them all. We have them all. I'm going to add some salt. Pepper. Going to add some sugar. I'm going to use about a palm. Remember, you have to taste it, so if you need more, of course, you'll add more. I have some garlic that I'm going to grate. Yeah, got my nail. Two. Let me get all that good old garlic out of from the bottom. I have some Dijon mustard. Let me shake that up. I have some apple cider vinegar. About a cap and a half, that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to add, let me stir this up first. Let's get this started. Smells good. Tastes good too. Let me have a squeeze of this lemon. Oops. Have a seed there. You don't want that seed. One of these, see what we need. I don't know. That's pretty good. I'm going to add another pinch of salt. Bacon. Dry parsley. Excuse me. Gonna turn it up. Just to heat up a little bit. At the last minute, I decided just to add a little Parmesan. Why not? Why not? But they are delicious already. That's enough. Taste it one more time. Okay, here I have some collard greens from the day before. I'm going to add some of these delicious potatoes, and they are really good. I'm not just exaggerating. They are good. I'm going to add a schnitzel. I'm going to add some lemon juice. Kick it up. Add a few lemons on the side in case you want more. Yeah. You give it just a little taste. See, done on the inside. Man, this camera. Gonna have a potato. This is really delicious. Don't be afraid to try new things. You know, just expand your palate. Thanks for watching. And remember to pray. And then pray some more. Pray for her. Pray for him. Pray for you. Pray for them. Pray for us. Don't stop praying. Pray. Remember to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe and tap that bell if you haven't. And if you have, thank you so much. Share with friends and family and comment. I would love to hear from you. And until next time, stay safe and stay blessed. There you are. Bloop. I love you. Yeah, you. I really do. Later. Let me give you another little taste of this right here. Gonna have a bite. And a bite of potato. Yeah.